Remove the screws on this side. Remove this diaphragm. Use carburetor cleaner to rinse the area. Next, need to clean the oil needle position. This needs to remember the current position of the oil needle. Try to tighten the displacement of the oil needle first, and remember the number of tightening turns. The two oil needles are different in length. Please remember to place the L and H oil needles separately. Use carburetor cleaner to clean this position of the oil needle. After cleaning, you need to use an air gun to dry the internal cleaning agent. This side must not be opened. Put the oil needle back. First tighten the L and H needles clockwise until they are tightened, then put the L needle counterclockwise 3/4 turn, and the H needle 1 turn more than 1/2. Then fix the cover with screws. Be sure to align the holes to avoid damage to the diaphragm.